too. If you're offering
Wow.
a weekly invitation for baptism, then every week the baptistry needs to be filled and warmed if you have one of those. And then you know, I know Pam has kind of a backup plan all the time for a baptism because that's where the baptistry is.
We have to, I would just make a comment, you said, how do we typically handle baptisms? It is different now since the video feed, because of the concurrent services. They are the opening event to the 11:15 worship service, and so we've timed it out. I'm allowed a 5-second introduction, because that's how long it takes for the video feed to warm up and be ready to go. So I say, I forget what it is now, but it's 5 seconds. Welcome, we're glad, we're going to begin this morning with celebration of baptism. And I get out of the way, and then they do what they need to do, because we have people. So that is typically, if there's one at 11:15, it's always going to be on the front end. At 9:45, they can play it a little bit more because the sanctuary is empty, the upstairs sanctuary is empty, and they can maybe put it in a whole different spot. It tends to be close to the beginning still, but that's the 11:15. It's always at the beginning because of so everybody can see it. That's what we've been doing now.
What technology are you using to feed the video down? Is it complicated, simple?
It's not bad. It's a Cat6 line. Basically, Cat6 line is a line that takes video or audio information and can send it over longer distances. So about 300 or 400 feet is about the longest distance that you can do. So we're not streaming it. It's directly wired, and it gets retranslated down in our Family Life Center. So we have a microphone set up by the baptistry. We have a camera at the back of the room in the traditional sanctuary. Both of those signals get fed down to the Family Life Center and reinterpreted. And we have a simple video switcher that switches between what our computer with the lyrics is presenting versus what the video is sending. And we just very simply switch on, someone is upstairs to make sure, and we just count 5, 4, 3, 2, like on TV, and we point at Barry. Barry does the high, well, the first time we did this, Pete, we did it so well, sorry, we did it so well that people thought we recorded it because we had the timing figured out nicely. We went straight from, hi, we're going to celebrate in baptism, and then Barry comes on, it's like, boom, he's saying, okay, I take here's your confession, and here's the baptism. People were like, did they just fake us out? Did they just record that and show? Yeah, when did that happen? So we added a few words to our script that says, hi, church family, we're live in the sanctuary. So that they know that they know that this is happening right now. It's part of our worship that we're going to show right now. So it's not too bad. We had to take those cables and run them between these two buildings. The buildings are a couple hundred feet apart, so it ends up working out nicely. It's not a stream. It's just live cabled video.
Let's let Bryce and Rachel talk a little bit about, just let us know who you are, where you come from, how you landed at UCC, and then what led to your decision to be part of the baptism celebration.